Hello and welcome back to Excel Extreme. Today's theme is in and out, meaning how to start load the dashboard from Excel and close it back to Excel. There are many ways to start a VBA procedure from Excel, like assigning the macro to a picture, to a shape on the spreadsheet, a shortcut, or through Excel menu commands. Today we will focus on creating extra commands both on the Quick Start toolbar and the ribbon in order to load, and a command bottom on the Userform to exit. Today we will focus on creating an extra command both on the Quick Start toolbar and the ribbon to load, and a command bottom on the Userform to exit. With the VBA editor, let's insert a new public procedure. This procedure will load the Userform workdash. Let's name it loaded. All it needs for now is two simple commands. Load workdash, workdash.show. Let's save it now. Now back to Excel and to options. Let's add now a command to the ribbon. From options, click Customize Ribbon. Select the developer menu submenus by clicking plus. Below, click Create New Group. On top on Choose Commands from. Choose Macros. From the list below, select Loaded, the procedure we just created. Click Add to the new group. We can now rename it with the commands below. Let's call it Work. Pick up an icon, for example the piggy. Press OK. Back to the spreadsheet. We can see the little pig, and by clicking it we will load the Userform. Now we can easily add it to the Quick Access menu on top too. Once loaded, we need to get a way out back to Excel. For this purpose, we're going to insert a command button on top of the Userform. Select the Userform. Select the toolbar. Insert command button. Name, exit dash. Caption, exit for now. Now let's pick up the command button events and click. And insert this code line. Unload workdash. Try it. In and out. In and out. If you liked and found this useful and wish to continue watching more Excel tips, please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. See you next week.